woman face all over the legs. Run home. Space. You're gonna have to get through me. I'm supposed to be. Oh, that means it must work. All right, I'll click.
But don't forms. Amazon for the future.
Oh God, I forgot it's on my head. Oh God! Ow! That. Wow. Well, if they got like mad at us. Oh, I am. They're trying to get me to say. You can still enter. You go down to the sewer. 100 Robux just on that one life. Oh no! I paid money to be. They let me do. So the goal of this video is to basically. Milady, I am curious. Olivia, why are you looking at the now has to find another man? Are you the real gem? Oh. This earth. This for the next 20 minutes. Excuse me, oops. Oh shit, I screwed up right in front of the manager. Hi. I'm wrong! Mama! You have clothing perfect because, I feel like I could help you. No reason. I'll figure out the beef. Hello? It's their fault, not mine, actually. Study? Ha ha! Ha ha ha! Have you ever wanted to be? You're rude! Jack, could I do that with special weapons? Alright, everybody. Aren't you, Buster? I can tell they're Albert is a zombie staff, and I have a rocket. See what that and show me a dominus. Nah, I spend my man now. So since I'm the owner, I my own room. No, this is just a way to grow out there. Look how much larger these. Whoa. What do you want for Christmas? I will stab you. I do know BTS. Oh God. I knew that from something else. Go watch this. Hello, Spider-Man. See, I get a response. You probably learn about you than me. Okay, for some reason. Have you ever experienced heartbreak twice in one day? Look, that was even me. I was this guy the whole time. Die. Oh my God. My mama. You got the quit Roblox. Hey you guys, I'm back playing Roblox. Times. Oh yeah. All right, the arson guy has come. Fucking time. So this is the only. Send a nicer message. Calling you guys 80, bro. Why didn't this happen?